Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a portrait with bokeh with Nano Banana. The first thing I want you to do is just open up your Google Gemini, click here on Tools in a new chat, toggle this one on, Create Images, and you'll see this banana icon. That means you have enabled Nano Banana. Then you just use a prompt, okay? For example, like this one, I'll just submit this. While that is happening, I'll show you some other prompts you can use. Of course, they'll be in the description. Okay, the example prompts right here. Basically, you need the subject. That's very important. You describe what the subject looks like. Okay, for example, a close-up portrait of a young woman with a gentle smile, long brown hair. You're describing it, okay? And then here's the bokeh part. Right, what it is being captured with. A very shallow depth of field at 4/1.4 and what it results in, the style, okay? Make sure you have those. So these are other examples as well. I'll have in the description. You can just copy and paste and let's see what it comes up with exactly as we wanted. And you can also go a step further. You can go ahead and add your own image and ask it to bokeh that for you. Okay, just drag and drop the image and then go ahead and add your respective prompts. Really that easy, and that is how to create a portrait with bokeh with Nano Banana.